In our digital world, data is everything. Traditional databases can't keep up with modern needs. This is where NoSQL databases come in. They provide flexibility, scalability, and high performance for unstructured data. Today, we will explore 4 key NoSQL databases: MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and Neo4j. We'll also look at their applications in big data, content management, and social networks. Firstly, let's talk about MongoDB. This open-source, document-oriented database is designed for easy development and scalability. It stores data in JSON-like documents, allowing for flexible schemas. Key features include document storage, scalability through sharding, rich indexing, built-in replication, and an aggregation framework for complex processing. MongoDB fits perfectly in various scenarios. It's excellent for content management systems due to its adaptive schema. Real-time analytics thrive with MongoDB because of its rapid data processing capabilities. The Internet of Things benefits from its capacity to handle vast amounts of data. Additionally, mobile applications leverage its flexibility and scalability effectively. Now, let's move on to Cassandra. This is a distributed NoSQL database known for handling large data efficiently. Its peer-to-peer architecture ensures high availability and fault tolerance. It scales easily by adding nodes and allows developers to fine-tune consistency according to their needs. Cassandra shines in big data applications, serving industries like finance and healthcare. Social media platforms utilize it for high-throughput requirements. E-commerce businesses also benefit from its real-time inventory management. And for time series data storage, Cassandra's wide column store is a robust solution. Next, we have Redis. As an open-source, in-memory data structure store, it's renowned for speed and versatility. Redis handles various data types and is perfect for tasks like caching. It works wonders with lightning-fast data operations. Redis is commonly used for caching to enhance web app performance. Its in-memory storage allows for real-time analytics, tracking user behavior live. It also efficiently manages user sessions in web applications. Lastly, online games use Redis for maintaining leaderboards with atomic operations. Finally, let's explore Neo4j. This graph database is built to manage highly connected data. Its property graph model allows for efficient data organization. With the Cypher query language, data traversal becomes straightforward while ensuring consistent transactions. Neo4j excels in social network applications, making it great for friend recommendations. In fraud detection, it identifies patterns in connected data. Recommendation engines utilize Neo4j for delivering tailored suggestions. Additionally, it manages complex network topologies in IT operations effectively. In summary, NoSQL databases like MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and Neo4j are pivotal in today's data-driven landscape. They address various needs from scalability to real-time processing. Choosing the right NoSQL database depends on your specific application requirements. So, what will you do next? Dive deeper into NoSQL databases, choose the right one for your project, and revolutionize how you manage data.